Yes, Namaste children. Today we will discuss the highest common factor. Highest common factor. Highest common factor means in the short form HCF. In the yesterday we discussed about LCM, lowest common factor, in two methods. Okay. Then here also I will tell you the two methods, how to find HCF. Here to find the HCF of these numbers 18, 24 and 36 by listing their factors. First you have to write the factors of each number. Write all the factors. Okay. Then after writing the factors of each and every number, then you select the biggest, highest means greatest, सबसे बड़ा common factor को find out करना है. Then here you see, first write the factors of 18. You write here factors of 18. While writing the factors of 18, here we know that 1 is a factor of every number, the number itself a factor. Okay, no? That means here 1/18s are 18. The next you see 2 is a factor of 18. Yes. When you recite 2 table, you are getting 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Next 3. Next number of 2. The continuously serially first you write 1, 2, 3 table padiye. Are you getting 18? 3 6 are 18. The next 4. When you recite 4 table, you get when you recite the fourth table, do you get 18? No, it means 4 is not a factor of 18. Okay, the next 5. 5, when you recite 5 table, you are not getting 18. Means 5 is not a factor. Then 6 is a factor because already see that 3 6 are 18. 6 is a factor, 9 is a factor, 18 is a factor. If you write them in order, if you put them in order, I am writing here, you see 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. These are the factors of 18. Write the factors of 24. Here also, if you write 1/24 are 24, because we know that 1 and the number itself a factor. When you recite 2 table, 2 12s are 24. Next 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. Yes, this much. If you write them in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. Then in that way, you list the factors. Factors of, what is the next number? 36. Here, 1, 36, 2, 18s, 36, 3, 12s, 36, 4, 9s, 36, then 6, 6, 36. Like this. If you write them in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 9 36, 6, 9, 12, okay, 18, and 36. These are the factors. Now the common factors. Write the common factors. Common factors. Here, 1, you circle this. 1 is it. Next, 2, here you can check here. You already listed the hour, isn't it? आपका आसान है. It is very easy. Next 2, 2, 2. 2 is also common. Okay? 2 right. Next 3, 3 is there in all numbers. Circle this. 6, 6, 6. But 4 is here in this 2, 4 present 4 is not common. Means 6. 6 को बोल करो. क्योंकि 4 is not present in the first number. 9. 9 is here, but no 9 is here. Here 9 is. 9 is not common. Okay. Then next 18. 18 is not present here. 18 is present here. But 18 is not present. Means these are the common factors of 18, 24 and 36. In this common factors, one is the smallest common factor. What is the highest? Means greatest common factor. Here is CF means highest common factor, or GCF. It is also same. GCF means greatest. What is the greatest factor here? 6. Means therefore 6 is the HCF of 18, 24 and 36. Okay. Then another method, second method. Find the HCF, find the HCF of the same number 18, 24 and 36 using long division method. Long division method. Okay. Then here, while finding the HCF using long division method, you take the highest number. What is the highest number? 36. You divide the 36 any of the two numbers. इसमें कोई भी नंबर से डिवाइड करो. 36 is just before 36, just थोड़ा छोटा सा, just smaller. Okay, 36 से 18 भी छोटा है, 24 भी छोटा है, और 36 से 18 से बड़ा 24 लेकर के डिवाइड करो. Okay, 18 से भी कर सकता है. 24 here ones are 24. क्योंकि 24 2s are 48, 48 बड़ा हो जाएगा. 6 24 माइनस करो, 6 minus 4 2 3 minus 2 1. फिर जब तक ये डिवीजन कैसे करना है, जब until and unless you get 0 ऐसे रिमाइंडर, then फिर ये 24 को 12 से डिवाइड करना है. 12 2s are 24 here, and we got here 0 as a remainder. By what divisor you got 0 as a remainder? 0 of this divisor से मिला 12 से. Mean ये 12 से the remaining number और एक नंबर बचा हुआ है 20, 18 को 12 से 12 ones are 12, 6. फिर ये 6 से ये 12 को डिवाइड करो, 6 2s are 12. अब आपको 0 रिमाइंडर मिला, या 0 रिमाइंडर मिला था 12 से. फिर ये 12 से बचा वाला नंबर को 18 को डिवाइड करना. 18 को डिवाइड करने से 6 रिमाइंडर, फिर 6 से ये 12 को डिवाइड किया 0. It means 0 you got by what? 6. Means therefore 6 is the HCF of 18, 24 and 36. You see that both the answers same. Okay, in this way you can do it. One more example I will do. You see here, to find the HCF numbers, I will take a little bit bigger numbers. Okay, you take the smaller numbers. Now, until and unless you have the practice. You see that find the HCF of 72 90 and 120, like this. Okay. Then now here, what is the biggest number? Using find this here. Here no method is not given. Then you have to apply the second method. That is long division method. That is the easiest. Here, what is the biggest number? 120. We divide 120 by 90. Here, 90 ones are 90 because we go 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. ये 12 है ना? 12 बड़ा है, छोटा है 18 से. इसलिए 90 ones are 90 minus 12 minus 9 3. ये 30 से फिर 90 को डिवाइड करना है. जब तक आपको जीरो नहीं होता है. 3 3s are 9. 3 into 30 390. You got this 0 by what number? 30. ये 30 से 70 को डिवाइड करो. 3 2s are 6 में 30 2s are 62. फिर ये 12 से 30 को डिवाइड करना है. 12 2s are 24. या 0 से 4 माइनस नहीं होता है. 0 10 2. 10 minus 4 6 0. फिर ये 6 से ये 12 को डिवाइड कर. 6 2s are 12. 0 you got definitely. We got 0 by what number? 6. Then therefore 6 is the HCF of what? 72, 90 and 120. Okay? Then one more example. You get here. You take the smaller two-digit number to practice to find this here. Okay? You take one-digit numbers also, but find the HCF of 65, 125 and 130. Okay, 130 को डिवाइड करना है क्योंकि 130 is bigger by 125. 125 ones क्योंकि इधर 100 है इधर 100 है. 125 ones are 125 minus 10 से ये 2 हो जाएंगे. 10 minus 5 5 0. ये 5 से इसको डिवाइड करना. ओके, ये में देखो 5 इसमें करने से 5 2s are 10. फिर again 5 5s are 25. 0 you got. ये 5 से फिर बचा हुआ नंबर क्या है? 65. इसको ओके 5. Here 5 13s. Here also see 5 answer 5. 5 3s are 50. अब 0 मिला किससे? 5 से. It means therefore what is this here? Therefore 5 is the HCF of 65, 125 and 130. Okay, in this way you can do that. You practice it with different two-digit numbers. Okay, not three-digit numbers. Okay, now? Yes, thank you.